Next example, sin 30 degrees plus tan 45 degrees minus cosecant 60 degrees by secant 30 degrees plus cos 60 plus cot 45. Okay, sin 30 degrees 1 by 2 tan 45 degrees 1 minus cosecant 60 degrees it is equal to 1 by sin 60 degrees 1 by sin 60 degrees is root 3 by 2 which is equal to 2 by root 3. Okay, minus 2 by root 3 by secant 30 degrees which is equal to cosecant 60 degrees. Okay, 2 by root 3 cos 60 degrees 1 by 2 cot 45 degrees equal to tan 45 1. Okay, take LCM root 3 2 root 3 in denominator we have to get 2 root 3, so 1 into root 3 plus 1 into, in denominator we have 1 into 2 root 2 plus minus 2 into, in denominator we have root 3, so we have to get 2 root 3, so multiply with 2. Okay, by here take LCM 2 root 3 2 into 2 1 into root 3 plus 1 into 2 root 3 2 root 3 get cancelled which is equal to root 3 2 root 3 2 into 2 minus 4 by 2 into 2 4 plus root 3 plus 2 root 3. Okay, so this is write it as root 3 1 root 3 plus 2 root 3 it is equal to 3 root 3 minus 4 by 1 plus 2 3 root 3 plus 4. Okay, rationalizing the denominator, in denominator root 3 into root 3 plus 4 rationalizing, so 3 root 3 minus plus become minus 3 root 3 minus 4. See, a minus b into a minus c, so which is equal to a minus b whole square. Okay, 3 root 3 minus 4 whole square, a plus b into a minus b which is equal to a square minus b square. Okay, 3 root 3 minus 4 whole square by 3 root 3 whole square, 3 square is 9 into root 3 whole square 3, 9 3s are 27, 4 square is 16. Okay, which is equal to 3 root 3 whole square 4 whole square. Okay, a minus b whole square, a square plus b square minus 2ab by 27 plus 27 minus 16 which is equal to 11. Okay, 3 root 3 whole square 27, 4 square is 16 minus 2 4s are 8, 8 3s 24, root 3 by 11. Okay, 27 plus 16 43 minus 24 root 3 by 11. Okay, Next example, 5 into cos square 60. 5 into cos 60 value is 1 by 2 cos square, 1 by 2 whole square. 4 into secant square 30. Secant theta equal to 1 by cos 30 degrees. Okay, cos 30 degrees value is root 3 by 2 secant 30, which is equal to 1 by cos 30 degrees. Cos 30 root 3 by 2. So reverse of the fraction, 2 by root 3. Okay, 4 into 2 by root 3 whole square minus tan square 45 degrees. Tan 45 1, tan square 1 square. Sin square 30 degrees, 1 by 2 whole square. Cos square 30 degrees, root 3 by 2 whole square, which is equal to 5 into 1 by 2 whole square, 1 by 4, plus 4 into 2 square is 4, root 3 square is 3, minus 1 by 1 by 2 whole square, 1 by 4, root 3 by 2 whole square, 3 by 2 square is 4. So which is equal to 5 by 4. 4 4s are 16 by 3 minus 1 by 1. 1 by 4 plus 3 by 4, which is equal to 4 by 4. 4 by 4, which is equal to 1. Okay. Take LCM. 3 4s are 12. 5 into 3, 16 into 4, minus 1 into 12. Okay. 5 3s 15. 16 4s are 64, minus 12 by minus by 12, which is equal to 15 plus 64, 79. 79 minus 12, 67. 67 by 12. Okay. Finally we get this expression value is 67 by 12. Okay.